Okay, so I finally got some good news in my world. Uh, I'm getting ready to pull the head off. I've got the carburetor and the exhaust manifold removed. I've taken off the oil pipes and the tappet covers. And I was getting ready to pull the spark plugs, and I had an idea and I tried something. So instead of using a socket, to break the spark plug or remove the spark plug, break it free, I put a wrench on and I levered it up and down a couple of times. Now it's hard to see right now because the spark plug is loose already. But what I was able to do is work the spark plug back and forth. And I worked it a little bit, then I would turn the spark plug a quarter turn, work it a bit more, turn it a bit more. And eventually, what I was able to do is I got the insert out. I pulled the insert on the end of the spark plug. There it is. And now, if we look, you can see, it's hard to see in this light, in the decompression chamber, the port for the exhaust port for the decompression valve is now fully exposed, so it will pass as it should. And we can also see there's the seat that the decompression valve will sit on or seal on. And it's in really good condition. I don't need to clean it up. So there's the port at the back, fully exposed. And now I can fit the proper decompression valve in there. So that means I haven't undone any of the head bolts, okay? And so I don't have to break the seal between the head and the cylinder pot. I don't have to open this up. I can put everything back together and reinstall the decompression valve, and I'm back on the road again. And here we look again. You can see that seat on the spark plug, okay? So this seat sat inside the decompression valve or the decompression chamber. It was pressed in, and what it basically did was raise the sealing seat in order to accommodate the spark plug that wouldn't fit inside of the decompression chamber. Okay, so I'm a happy guy today. I don't have to pull the head off.